Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today TV. I'm Sakshi Batra and this is Markets Today, where we discuss everything about the stock markets, opening action, the early trends that we are spotting right now, the sectors and the stocks that you need to focus on, and the strategies that US traders and investors must adopt. All of this will be discussed with a very special guest joining right in. Mr. Chandan Taparia joins in from Motilal Oswal Financial Services. He's the technical and derivatives expert right there. Thank you very much and good morning, Chandan, for joining in, and help us first understand with your take on the markets after yesterday's sharp up move, crossing the levels of 15,800, 15,900. Again, we are seeing some dips coming in. So looks like the markets are again taking a pause after those 3 days of gains.
Yes, good morning, Sakshi. Thanks for having me. The good part is that market recently bottomed out with support of 15,200 and then bounced to 15,927 kind of level. But the problem is follow-up is missing. And we believe that market is likely to be in broader range. Yesterday it opened positive, but the concern is the banking index didn't perform. And because of that, it closed positive, but closed lower by 100 points from its opening zone. And today it opened gap down due to the weakness in the global market. So we believe that market is likely to be in a broader range. So as of now, 15,555 is going to act as a major support to play the bounce to our 16,000, 16,161. So we have restricted upside where decline could be bought, but follow-up is clearly missing. So I'll wait for further decline and then I'll opt to buy with support of 15,555. So this market is not to be in hurry to take the trade. It's all about wait for a decline, let it settle and consolidate, and then take the trade accordingly.
Okay. In terms of the intraday traders and the positional traders on both the Nifty and Nifty Bank, what would you suggest?
Yeah, for Nifty, for intraday trader, we'll suggest to buy the decline. Those who are looking for intraday, they can use any small decline near to 15,700 as a buying opportunity for a bounce towards 15,800. So we are just chasing the bounce of 100 points for intraday point of view, but that is also after the dip of 30-40 points. And for Bank Nifty, we have seen nervousness in the Bank Nifty yesterday because yesterday it opened higher, but opening level started as a selling pressure. It opened gap down, but the good part is it is respecting to the support of 33,500 zone. So if it comes near to 33,500, we'll play the bounce towards 34,000. So 33,500 for the Bank Nifty and 15,555 for the Nifty are key level, which can be used as a buy on decline strategy for the trading point of view.
Okay, let's move on to understanding a bit more about the sectors. How should investors really approach the sectors today? It was a complete reversal of the picture that we were seeing yesterday. It's all red screen today, barring just small green ticks coming in on the PSU banking index. Any sector that you believe on this decline should be definitely on your focus, the sectors that will be able to weather the volatility storm going forward?
Actually, we believe this market is going to be very stock specific.
Okay.
And we have positive view on the Nifty auto segment and selective FMCG are likely to do well. If you look at the last 1 month on the RRG chart, relative rotation graph, we clearly see strength and momentum both in auto and FMCG name. So looking at the same, I'll be positive on the Nifty auto segment where we'll suggest to buy M&M, Maruti, TVS Motor and other name. So M&M is one of our preferred pick, which we like, and expecting further 5 to 7% rally in this counter as well.
Okay, understood that. Apart from this, I wanted your thoughts on one or two stocks that were in focus yesterday. Zomato declined 6% yesterday after that Blinkit deal. And on the contrary, we actually saw some kind of gains coming in on Policy Bazaar too. So help us understand with these new age stocks, any stock that is coming into your radar in the current levels?
Yeah, so you asked me about the Zomato and Policy Bazaar, but I'll add one more. So first talking about Zomato, actually the stock was finding support near to 64. So yesterday it continued selling and today it has broken the same. So I'll avoid that, let it find stability near to 59, then only I'll understand to buy. Talking about Policy Bazaar, that is also dull. Sustained selling pressure is clearly visible. So I'll avoid both the name, but I'll go with the Paytm. Paytm is a counter which is showing the strength and the momentum is clearly visible. On the daily, weekly chart, the stock is giving the strength. So here we'll suggest to buy. Even yesterday also we were liking the counter. Today the follow-up activity is clearly visible. So with support of 692, we are expecting momentum towards 740 in the Paytm. So talking about Zomato and Policy Bazaar, I'll wait for them, but I can definitely look for buying in Paytm in this current market scenario.
Okay, understood that. And now let's come to your stock specific recommendations for the day. What would you be really advising all the traders to take bets on?
Yeah, so as mentioned that I'll be positive on the selective auto, FMCG and few fertilizer names.
Yeah.
So M&M is one trade where we can suggest to buy M&M with support of 1070, look for a target towards 1140 levels. ITC will like this stock is giving a consolidated support of 264 for upside target towards 282 kind of level. And one more idea that can be the Coromandel International. So this stock is holding the gains. Today is consolidating, but overall trend setup is positive. We will see the uptick. One can buy with support of 920 for target towards 985 kind of level. So M&M, Coromandel, ITC are the preferred pick. Sector-wise positive on the auto. In non-FNO, we can pick for the Paytm.
Okay, understood that. Non-FNO, Paytm could be a stock that you should watch out for. It has been in momentum, may continue to gain going forward. Apart from this, the three stock recommendations from Chandan today are M&M, ITC and Coromandel International. Well, thank you so much, Chandan, for being with us and sharing all those insights about the markets with all our viewers.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.